welcome back, and today we have the very famous Primanti Bros sandwich from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So my version here is a little bit different, as you'll see with the bread, but hold on and wait till the end to see what we've got. So the first thing I have is some finely shredded coleslaw, some onions, and hot giardiniera. Now this is Chicago style. You can also get this in mild. And we're going to mix this up and add some salt and pepper. Now this is kind of my pet peeve of the sandwich, that the coleslaw it comes with in Pittsburgh is really bland. And with all the bread and french fries, it leaves kind of an undesirable bland sandwich as far as I'm concerned. So the next thing we're going to do is soak french fries, and I have them soaking in water and baking soda. And then we're going to let those dry, and we're going to double fry them. So this is after the first time frying, and then just before the sandwich is ready, I'm going to fry them a second time. So the traditional sandwich is made with an Italian bread that's sliced in the other direction. But I prefer this type of crust, so I made it this way. Then I'm adding some chicken breast to this, and I'm adding 3 different types of really high quality salami to this. But you can use any sort of meat on this sandwich that you want. And then after we've added the salami, I'm going to add some provolone cheese. And just like the salami, the cheese is your choice. So after this, I've got my french fries, and I'm stacking those on top. And then I'm going to add that coleslaw to the top with 2 or 3 slices of tomatoes, depending on how big your sandwich is. And then I added some chipotle mayonnaise, and I'll have the link for the recipe for that below. And then you're going to take this and smash it down with your hand. And so the idea of this sandwich is it's all one meal. It has the bread, has the milk, has the meat, has the vegetables in one giant sandwich.